Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 6. Students, open your books, page number 8. In previous class we were discuss animal tissue and its function. Today our topic is plant tissue and main functions. First one is epidermis. Now epidermis, what is the function of epidermis? Protect against water loss and may be involved in absorption of water and ions. What is the function of epidermis? Epidermis actually protect against water loss and also help in absorption of water. Second is mesophyll. Mesophyll, what is the function of mesophyll? Mesophyll helps in photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which plants prepare their own food. Third one is vascular tissue. Now what is the function of vascular tissue? Transports material through the plant body consists of xylem and phloem cells. Vascular tissue helps in transportation. It can transport material through the plant body and it also consists of xylem and phloem tissue. Look at the diagram. In diagram there is a xylem and phloem tissue. It's a xylem which helps in transportation. First part is epidermis. First, which protect against water loss. Second is mesophyll, which helps in photosynthesis. It's also epidermis. These upper and lower part is epidermis. The center part is known as mesophyll. Next is strengthening tissue. What is the function of strengthening tissue? It supports the plants. Main function of strengthening tissue is that it can support the plant. Remember and understand. Fill in the missing information in the given table. Type of tissue and function. Here are different types of tissue. You can write the function. First one is epithelial tissue. It's a tissue, it comes in animal tissue. Now what is the function of epithelial tissue? Main function of epithelial tissue is protection because it's present in outer surface, for example skin, so it can give us protection. What is the function of epithelial tissue? It's the function of epithelial tissue is protection. Second is photosynthesis. Now which tissue has function of photosynthesis? So that tissue name is mesophyll, which comes in plant tissue. Mesophyll. Third one is epidermis. Now epidermis also comes in plant tissue. What is the function of epidermis? Protect against water loss. Protect against water loss. Fourth one is nervous tissue. It comes in animal tissue. Now what is the function of nervous tissue? Set up nerves and transmits them around the body. Set up nerves and transmit them around the body. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.